Morning everybody, welcome to another video. So where am I? Well, I'm actually at Chelsea Harbour. The tide is out. People there waiting for the riverboat to take them upstream. Centre of London is up that way. But what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to have a walk around Chelsea Harbour. And as always seems to be the feature of my videos,
taking a bit of time to get used to.
we've got runners. Maybe my videos are trying to tell me something. Maybe they're trying to tell me I should start running. Who knows? Chelsea Harbour, as you can see, the tide is out. But you can get your boat in here. Lock gates, etc. But with the tide out, you can see the lock is, well, empty, I think we've heard say. There's a little bird down there. But let's have a wander around. It is actually a beautiful sunny day. A little bit chilly, but absolutely lovely. So Chelsea Harbour's on the west of London, on the banks of the River Thames. A mixture of boats in here for those that thought it would all be gin palaces. Well, there's quite a few. There's some narrow boats. This is a traditional Thames boat here. You can see the what would you call them? Paddles, I don't know, on the side. But we do have a mixture of boats. I haven't found any cafes or anything round here, so we haven't got any of the ubiquitous coffee shops I could sit in and get myself a coffee. But never mind. Oh, here's one for sale, if you fancy that. But it's very pleasant. I'm not quite sure why being by the water has always seemed so pleasant and so relaxing. Presumably these are out and about in the warmer months, I would guess. Oh, here we've got a narrow boat. And I don't know if you can hear the planes overhead. In fact, there is one up there. We are on the flight path for Heathrow. So consistently going overhead. So here we go. This is Old Boy. This is a wide berth narrow boat though, which always makes me chuckle. But there's some very nice boats. I'm not quite sure if these are live on board or just moored. I don't know. Maybe you know. If so, let me know in the comments below. Here's another wide beam narrow boat. They're called wide beam because they're double the width of a normal narrow boat, so I can only guess you've got a lot more space in there. But of course you wouldn't be able to go on some canals if you wanted to. Rivers would be fine. Good opportunity now, if you haven't already, to ask if you can subscribe. Costs you nothing but helps the channel enormously and helps me as well. And maybe you've been here in the summer. What did you think? What did you think of it? Look at the tower blocks there, but there's some nice views from there. Richard Parker, that one's called. A Princess yacht. Yeah, Princess 380. Oh dear. I think his tender might have seen better days. What do you think? Yeah, I think he needs to come and empty that out. This one's obviously got a mast on, he's taken down. There are a few boats, it has to be said, that need a little bit of a clean. Aquila Sound. It's a nice looking boat there. This, I have to be honest, is my favourite. I quite like that kind of almost like a Dutch helm position, like a Dutch riverboat. And let's get round the corner here. Chelsea Marina Harbour, berth holders only. This is a big one. Esplanade. It doesn't seem to be very deep either. I don't know if you can see the bottom. I don't know if it's coming through on the video there, but it doesn't seem to be very deep. There's an Ocean 42 with a wooden stool in the back there. And then we've got Swords. At last, Ariadne, a proper narrow boat. Here we go. That's what you call a proper narrow boat. Next to La Belle, which I can see in better days. Look at that. Wow, well there we go. This is Chelsea Harbour Marina. Look at that. Very pleasant to walk around. Listen, thank you for watching. If you could drop me a like on the video, it would be much appreciated. And as I say, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe to the channel, it costs you nothing. You can keep up to date with Al's big adventures. Where am I off to next? Until the next one. Bye bye.